In the bustling city of Evergreen, where dreams were as tall as the skyscrapers that loomed overhead, there lived a young man named Oliver. Oliver had always yearned for financial freedom, to be able to live life on his terms without worrying about money. One fateful day, he stumbled upon a mysterious book titled The Wealthy Roadmap in an old bookstore tucked away in a corner of the city. Oliver flipped through the pages and discovered -1 strategies for wealth and financial freedom that would change his life forever. Strategy 1. Setting clear goals. The first strategy revealed in the book was setting clear and achievable goals. Oliver realized that without a roadmap, he would be lost in the sea of financial uncertainty. With a clear vision in mind, he charted out his short-term and long-term goals, mapping out the steps he needed to take to achieve them. Strategy 2. Budgeting wisely. The second strategy emphasized the importance of budgeting wisely. Oliver learned to distinguish between his needs and wants, allocating his resources efficiently to maximize savings and investments. With each penny accounted for, he felt empowered knowing that every dollar was working towards his financial freedom. Strategy 3. Investing for the future. As Oliver delved deeper into the book, he discovered the power of investing for the future. The third strategy highlighted the significance of making smart investment decisions to grow wealth over time. He diversified his portfolio carefully, choosing investments that aligned with his financial goals and risk tolerance. Strategy 4. Continuous learning. The fourth strategy emphasized the value of continuous learning. Oliver understood that knowledge was the key to unlocking new opportunities and staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of finance. He immersed himself in books, courses, and seminars, expanding his financial acumen and gaining insights that would shape his success. Strategy 5. Building multiple streams of income. The fifth strategy sheds light on the importance of building multiple streams of income. Oliver realized that relying solely on a single source of income was risky and limited his financial growth potential. He explored various income-generating opportunities, from starting a side hustle to investing in passive income streams. Strategy 6. Networking and collaboration. The sixth strategy emphasized the power of networking and collaboration. Oliver discovered that success was not a solo journey but a collaborative effort. He forged meaningful connections with like-minded individuals, seeking mentorship and partnerships that would propel him toward his financial goals. Strategy 7. Giving back. The final strategy touched Oliver's heart deeply. It highlighted the importance of giving back to the community and making a positive impact on the world. He realized that true wealth extended beyond monetary riches and encompassed generosity, kindness, and compassion towards others. Oliver embarked on his journey toward wealth and financial freedom with renewed vigor and determination.